Hey, wrestling fans.
Hello.
It's time for another unboxing, right?
Yeah.
Because today we have the November Pro Wrestling Crate. Are you excited for it?
Yeah.
You think we're going to get a lot of good stuff? A good Micro Brawler?
Yeah.
Some good t-shirts?
Yeah.
A good autograph?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Let's get into it. Oops.
Whoa.
I dropped it.
Oopsie.
Okay. Let's rock and roll.
Okay.
Okay, first, don't want to see that. Don't want to get spoiled. Oh, I think I know who this t-shirt is, though. This first t-shirt, I think I know who this is. One of the most popular tag teams in AEW. Do you know who that is? Do you know? It is the Acclaimed.
Yeah.
Max Caster and Anthony Bowens.
I like them.
Isn't that cool? Let's show all the people watching.
I'm not complaining today.
Can they see it?
I'm not complaining.
Isn't that a good shirt?
Yeah, but I'm not complaining today.
I know. You're being a good boy. Right? Because the reason you're being a good boy is because you want to make sure you're on the nice list this year, aren't you?
Yeah.
Do you think Santa's watching our video?
From the North Pole.
You think so?
Hi, Santa.
Santa's a big wrestling fan, isn't he? Uh-oh. I know who the next t-shirt is. No, wait. It's not the t-shirt. It's a sticker.
Oh.
Should we look at the sticker?
Yeah.
I'll give you a hint. It's somebody from the Dark Order. Join the Dark Order. Evil Uno.
I was going to say Evil Uno.
See? Nice Evil Uno sticker.
Can I see it real quick?
Yep.
Let me see it. That looks like Batman.
Evil Uno. You think Evil Uno looks like Batman?
No, that looks like Batman's logo.
His mask?
Yeah, that looks like Batman's logo.
Okie dokie. Let's get the second shirt now. Looks like purple and gold. But let's see. Oh.
Yeah,
now I know who it is. It is Scott Hall.
Yes, Scott Hall.
The bad guy.
Bad guy.
This is a really nice shirt. That's who that Funko Pop over there is. See?
Yeah, the Funko Pop.
The bad guy.
The bad guy.
And it has the year he was born and the year he died on there.
I'm 7.
Oh, I see your Micro Brother.
You?
Yep. It's Double J. Jeff Jarrett.
I like that suit.
See, there's the Double J on his hat. Let's show all the fans that are watching. Jeff Jarrett. WWF Jeff Jarrett from about 19... Excuse me. But from 94, 95, when he was Double J. Ain't I great?
Yeah, and we have the trading card at the back.
Yep.
Where you can cut it out.
Yep. Bruiser Brody here is a big fan of Micro Brawlers, aren't you?
Yeah. I have all of them.
And
leave the subscribe button.
Yep. Subscribe, like, and share.
Yeah. And if you want to be one of us, just get a video and buy some wrestling crates.
Yep. Pro Wrestling Crate. Now it's time for the pin. Let's see. Jon Moxley. See? Mox. And there's his face in the middle. Or the O. The former AEW World Champion. He just lost the belt, though, to MJF. I know you're upset about that, aren't you? It's all William Regal's fault.
Mini Willow Eagles.
Looks like we got another comic book in here.
Yes, we do.
Let's see. What is this, though?
It's a fire kick.
Yep. Look at that. Super kick that's on fire. Joey Janela, it looks like. Little comic book here.
That looks cool.
You think so? His foot's on fire. Oh, yeah, that's right. He did that super kick where he lit his foot on fire. I forgot about that.
Yeah, one definitely video.
Looks like we got a keychain. It's the Young Bucks and Kenny Omega Babyface Brawlers.
Oh, I can put that on my backpack.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I can put that on my backpack.
Look, if you can see there, the Young Bucks and Kenny Omega, the Elite. They're back in AEW now. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I know Bruiser Brody loves AEW, don't you? Now it's time for the autograph. Uh-oh. Whoops. Now it's time for the autograph.
Fumble on my room floor.
Excuse me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
And it looks like it's the African Dream.
And close eyes.
Hakeem,
That will
the
be nice.
African Dream. How do you like the hat?
Good. I'm doing what he's doing.
You look just like him.
Yeah. I'm a twin.
We had a lot of good stuff in there, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
So was it a good box?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Oh, and Santa, I've been very good today.
Well,
Bye.
you have to be good for more than a day. You have to be good the whole year. Yeah. Aren't you going to say goodbye to everybody?
Hello again. Bye-bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for what?
Remember, stay tuned for the next Pro Wrestling Crate.
Yeah.
December is the next one.
That looks like
Have a great night, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.